There's a lot of legal debate surrounding this redistricting referendum with multiple lawsuits up in the air. So what happens if the court rules the vote was illegal after the fact? ABC 13's Allison Mullet answers that question.
The legislature voted in early January to put the constitutional amendment before voters, but some questioned whether the referendum was even legal. Several lawsuits are still unresolved, even with many of you set to cast your ballot.
We're in uncharted legal territory where a vote could go forward and there would still be a likelihood that the Virginia Supreme Court would make a decision that could decide that the vote was not legal. It was not presented to the voters in a legal fashion.
There are now 3 major lawsuits before the Virginia Supreme Court. The first was filed by the Republican National Committee in January in Tazewell County. That one argues that the process to get the amendment on the ballot was illegal. The judge agreed, but Democrats quickly appealed. The state Supreme Court allowed the referendum to move forward while it reviews the case. Then in February, Congressman Morgan Griffith and Ben Cline filed a second lawsuit in Tazewell, along with the 2 Republican committees. This one targeted the ballot language, claiming that it's misleading. Again, the court ruled in their favor, but the Virginia Supreme Court took the same approach, letting the vote happen while holding off on a final decision. A third similar lawsuit filed by Congressman John McGuire and others in Richmond also challenged the ballot wording.
If the amendment passes tomorrow and then the Supreme Court were to make the decision that the process in which the legislator went about it was illegal, what happens then with the result of the election? Is it just thrown out?
Or if they do go forward and say the process was not legal, then that would overturn the vote and they would say it was an illegal referendum. It wasn't presented to the public properly, and therefore redistricting would not go forward.
Former U.S. District Attorney John Fishwick expects a decision from the Virginia Supreme Court soon after tomorrow's vote. Reporting in Lynchburg, Allison Mullet, ABC 13 News.